Men, I may not know, but winter clothes, I definitely know. Hi, I'm your Punjabi Pookie and I shopped for 8,717 rupees from Savannah. So let's check it out. Okay, the first thing is this sweater. It's a beige sweater and I really like the sleeves. उसकी वजह से ही मैंने ये खरीदा actually. And I thought it would be better than H&M in terms of quality, but it's not because इसके देखो ये ऐसे material निकल रहा है and I don't know ये कब तक survive कर पाएगा, but I will definitely keep it. And I am right now wearing it with jeans, but you can definitely pair it up with bubble skirt and boots. And this one is for 822 after discount and I think it's pretty much worth it. Okay, the next thing is this bomber jacket, grey bomber jacket. Okay, I really like the fabric, A. B, the look, because आप इसका ऐसे एक button tuck कर सकते हो and it'll give you more of Korean vibes. So you can definitely wear it on a New Year's Eve with boots, and skinny jeans may also work with it. Okay, this one is for 1096 after discount and I think it's a little overpriced because I can get this from Sarojini as well for around 300 bucks. Next one is my favorite. It's a new trend of this winter. It's called a pea coat and I don't know why. If you know it, just tell me. Also, it has a belt जिसको आपको front में tie करना होता है and it gives you a very cinched waist. And I saw this on Savannah for 1339 and I bought it. It's so comfy. It feels like a warm hug and you can just look at me here. It looks so cute. Burgundy color and leather jacket are like two essential things for this winter, so I thought to buy one. Such a disappointment. It looks like I'm crushing plastic. बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें आवाज़ आ रही है, पता नहीं अभी क्यों नहीं आ रही है, बहुत आ रही थी actually. It has two zips जिसको आप अलग अलग तरीके से स्टाइल कर सकते हो, 2 up, 2 down, 1 up, 1 down, और खोल के भी पहन सकते हो. But the thing is, this zip is not working और बहुत ज़्यादा struggle है and I don't want to do that for the rest of my life, so I will return it. Okay, so the next thing is this brown utility jacket. It's too huge for me, you can just look. And I bought this for brown color but it didn't work out at all. I am not looking good. So if you are a tall girly and you have broad shoulders, then you can go for it. So this one is for 1119 rupees and if you are a tall girly, you should definitely go for it. But if you are a short girly like me, I have got something else. Okay, the brown coat did not work for me, but this brown sweater did. Also, if you go through the app, you'll find it asymmetric there, but don't get confused. It has boat neck. अगर आप इसको एक shoulder से पहनोगे तो वो दूसरे shoulder से निकल जाएगी. So उस way में अगर आप सोच रहे हो खरीदने की तो मत खरीदना. But if you're looking for a boat neck stuff, you can buy it. I bought this for 820 rupees and I really love it. You can style it with jacket, coat, overcoat. So it's a basic thing that you can buy it, and that too in a brown color. Okay, ये खत्म होने वाला है and I have only one garment left, which is an olive green trench coat. And I don't know why I thought trench coats are supposed to be warm, but neither it's warm and nor it's long. It has got good buttons. I love them. कहाँ गए? ये रहे. I love them and you can just look at me here. It looks very chic. Also the belt I think मेरे को थोड़ी सी loose है because मैं पतली हो गई हूँ. But I think it's good for a small size person. I got this for 1251 rupees, but I think it's costly. I can get that from Sarojini. Okay, मैं आपको ये दिखाना भूल गई. It's a purse and I thought ये burgundy color का होगा. पता नहीं क्यों मैं सोच रही हूँ और फोटो में कुछ और दिखाता है, यहाँ कुछ और आता है. It's pretty confusing. तो I got this for 494 rupees और इसका ये pleather भी निकल रहा है, so I doubt I will keep it or not. I will ask my mom. Okay, so that was it from my side. मेरा ये खाली हो चुका है थैला और आप मुझे बताओ कि 8,713 रुपये खर्च करना worth it था या नहीं, and which things I should return and which things I should keep. Tell me in the comment section and let me know if you like this video or not.